So that is Inverness Castle up there. Glad I caught it with all the scaffolding on it. And that's the start of the NC500. So that's taken, where are we? 10 hours 50 riding so far. 478 miles. Doing 62 to the gallon, which ain't bad, is it? So, after all that, this is where we start the NC500. Excellent. Can't wait. So there we go. So that's the castle. That's the start of the NC500. Can't get any closer than that, I don't think. Here we go. So there's the first sign for the NC500 saying straight on. And Garmin wants me to go right. So that's handy, isn't it? Oh wow, that's beautiful. Bloody hell. Inverness is absolutely gorgeous. That's fantastic. Steady, mate. There's always one, and it's always him. The castle up there again, overlooking the river. So we're doing a lot of work on it. So just going over the big bridge, Inverness. See out there. Can't see too much there. So yeah, I didn't really stop and do anything in Inverness, just a case of getting some fuel and cracking on. Still got another 2.5–3 hours to get up to Wick. So we'll crack on with that. It's pretty cool there. So that's it on the A9 heading north. Wick, 96 miles. So what have we got? 2:30 in the afternoon. I'll take a few hours. Take it steady though, see what's going on. So I don't know if it shows up on the GoPro, but there's quite a long bridge over there. We're going to go over that in a momentito. Pretty cool. North Sea. Signs again for the NC500. Glenmorangie. So Glenmorangie Distillery's round here somewhere. On the right there it is, Glenmorangie. If I was a whiskey man, I'd get in there, but I'm not, so I shan't. God, I don't know many mates who have got who do drink whiskey. Here we go. All opening now, a bit more coastline, lovely jubbly. Looks like another bridge coming up in a minute. Going to be windy again. The Dornoch Firth. So that's the Dornoch Firth. That's nice. Well, those clouds are fairly unusual. That's called a lenticular cloud. It's when the cloud forms over the mountain, but then gets blasted by wind, and there's loads of them around today, especially up in the upper atmosphere. So it has been a windy ride, I have to say. So that just shows how windy it is 2–3 thousand foot up. God, these roads are beautiful. Absolutely looks like brand new tarmac. Right by the sea. Really nice, quite twisty roads. So looking to get to Dunrobin Castle soon in 10 minutes. Have a break there. Knees, bum, it's just everything's killing. Oh, that looks posh. Dunrobin Castle. Oh, this'll do. Very nice. Lots of gravel. Well, that looks very snazzy, doesn't it? The Duke of Sutherland's gaff. Very nice. Not too sure about the surface though. Gosh, that's horrible. Nope, that's too far over. Fuck that. Well, this is a lovely little place. Sutherland Inn. Beautiful. Oh, and a pretty little church. Over bridge over a little river. Brora. That was Brora. Nice. Sid Spice. Oh, maybe later. Well, that's just a nice little spot, just coming down into Port Gower. A few little houses on the seaside. Very nice. This is a bit like the North Wales coastline. It's all around the Barmouth area and that. It's absolutely beautiful. Little place there, need doing up. That'll do. Well, that's Helmsdale Harbour. Absolutely beautiful. A bit small on the old screen on this, but just stunning down here. Bloody hell, that was a bit of a section just then. Hell of a hairpin. And climbing back up and down. Woohoo! Bloody hell. Old church. I think we're nearly getting there. About 7 miles from Wick. From Wick Airport. Keep seeing light aircraft go over, going into land at Wick, which I think Wick serves John O'Groats. Woohoo! It does feel. Oh, there's one up there. It does feel a long way north, I've got to say. The landscape's more undulating as opposed to sort of big hills. Yeah, interesting. Well, I'm in Wick. God, look, they've got things here. They've got everything here. Goodness me. And we've just gone for mile and mile and mile, and there's been nothing. A few houses here and there, little village. Very few cars. And here we are. Looks lovely. So, just got to Wick, just filled up with fuel again. I was at 5:20. So, Mileage so far 587 miles. Journey time 13 hours 42 minutes. But today has been 8 hours 45 and 321 miles. That's high because I did some running around yesterday, so that's probably 50 mile high. But today was going to be a big day. I know it was. So I left at 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 5, so that's 9 hours less. I say in total I've been off the bike for an hour, so that's 8 hours, isn't it? No wonder my arse is sore and my knees are shot. The joys of touring. No, that's cool, happy with that, and what a stunning day as well. Very happy to be here, I have to say. So this is Wick. So the most amusing fill up there at the petrol station. The numbers were knackered on the machine, so I just put in whatever I could. Oh, this looks nice. And the guy didn't say a word. It was like, didn't know how much I paid for it, didn't know what it was. Yeah, just tap the thing and thanks very much, mate. A pleasure. I suppose you get loads of tourists in. That's nice. Little estuary there. Oh, lovely. Nice little place. I wonder where we'll be going for dinner tonight. That was the guest house just there. So I'm rather hoping I can park around the corner.